the gas, don't look back. Run it hard, stay on track. Hit the gas, let it fly. Live it fast, don't let it die. Some things break, some things bend. I don't know where this will end. Every morning I say your name like the sunrise comes to save me, but when it feels so wrong, you're the reason I hold on. Every morning through the pain, I say I love you once again. We're still young, we're still lost, trying to love at any road to freedom, engine high, chasing dreams with all I got. Dust and fire on my boots, cut the line, I make my moves. Oh! One-way street, no turning back, no review, no second track. Paid my dues, I took the hits, now I'm done with all that shit. No fear left, no slow down, hear that engine shake the ground. One-way road, I don't slow down. One-way road, no turning around. Born free, hear that sound, king of the road, I run this town. Hey, no advice I don't need, I live fast, I'll take the lead. All I want is make it right, hit the stage, own the night. Feel that heat, feel that crowd, now I'm living way too loud. One-way road, I don't slow down. One-way road, no turning around. Born free, hear that sound, king of the road, I run this town. No breaks, no chains, no loss, no shame. This road, my name, I play the game. One-way road, I don't slow down. One-way road, no turning around. Born free, hear that sound, king of the road, I run this town. King of the road, king of the road. Sun going down on a dusty town, long road calling, no one around. We were born with fire in our veins, chasing freedom, breaking chains. Back when we believed it all, American dream, we heard the call. chose a road that's built to last. Hey baby, hold on tight. We ain't stopping for no light. Through the night, through the fire, running higher. Give me a wild love now, screaming loud, screaming out. Full throttle, side by side, we were born listening, I feel it now. My name gonna rise above this crowd. Don't stop dreaming, hold it tight. Through the dark into the light. Some will win and some won't stay, but I won't throw this dream away. From that train to this old bar, every mile got me this far. I don't know what waits ahead, but I hear those words I said. Don't stop dreaming, don't fade away. Midnight train gonna take me far away. Strangers listening, I feel it now. My name gonna rise above this crowd. Don't stop dreaming, hold it tight. Through the dark into the light. Some will win and some won't stay, but I won't throw this dream away. Long road stretching out ahead. Cold wind pushing through my chest. Left that town without a sound. Didn't care what I left behind. Tires rolling through the dark. Headlights cutting through the black. Every mile I burn away from the mess I couldn't face. Feel the pressure rising slow, like a fire I can't control. Running hot through the night. No way back, no wrong or right. Every mile takes its toll. Still I ride, still I cheap motel, flicker light. Another stop, another night. Faces coming, fade away. None of them ever make me stay. Hear the engine, feel the drive. Only time I feel alive. Running hot through the night. No way back, no You can feel it in the heat. She walks in like she owns the floor. Seen that look 100 times before. You don't move, you don't stare, but you know she's there. Something's coming, don't ask why. You just feel it pass you by. Bad side of town pulls you in, spits you out, right back again. Bad side of town, no way clean. You live it once, you live in me. Late night air, streetlight glow. Didn't plan, just let it go. Foot on gas, no looking back. Heart still beating out a track. Heard my name from somewhere low. Didn't stop, just kept it rolling slow. Some things stay, some things fade. Some just never get trade what it gave, made me earn what I saved. I built it back from the ground. Every loss, every round, I built it back, brick by brick. Took the fall, didn't quit. Crooked bar and a low dim light. Glass hits wood on a Friday night. Smoke hangs thick in a lazy line. Same old trouble every time. Boots on floor, slow drag sound. Girls move close, circle around. I don't chase, I let it slide. Let the night come to my side. She leans in, says my name. I can tell she plays the game. Bad liquor on my breath. Bad decisions, nothing left. One more round, let it go. Ain't no need to take it slow. Backroom laugh, hands run low. Heat rising, losing control. Every move just pulls me in. Same old fire under my skin. No clean way out tonight. Everything just feels right. Bad liquor on my breath. Bad decisions, nothing left. One more round, let it go. Ain't no need to take it slow. Last call ringing through the room. Still not ready for the doom.